All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018, that's right folks, it is a 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 21,000 miles. White with the gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system, power windows, power door locks, super nice, and best of all, some damage around the bodies. Go real quick. Your front bumper looks good, your fascia looks good, your hood looks good. Front fender, very nice. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Tire tread is at 1030 seconds, or yeah, over 1030 seconds. This door looks pretty good. We have a dent here. Got some heavy scratching here. A couple of dings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming from the inside out of the truck. Actually, quite a few. You can see quite a few right there. Some here, some here. And you can see some. All right, coming around here as well. It's hard to check out, but you can see them. All right, got your rear driver's steel wheel. Your tire tread is 630 seconds. Let me double check that. Actually, no, it's over 730 seconds. You got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Alright. Got your AM/FM stereo system right there. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Pow! Switch your instrument cluster. Looks like you see no lights on, any issues. I will put some gas in this car. And your mileage of 21,814. Keeping it moving. Up. We look pretty good so far. We have a couple of chips. 1, 2, 3 on this little corner here. Of course, here is what your rear trunk space looks, cargo area looks like. Very nice. Does have some scratching and stuff like that, but that's typical. Your wheel well moldings look pretty good. They have some dents on the top. That's typical here. This rear door looks okay. Does seem to have some dings right there. Some more here. The rest looks pretty good. Let's check out this door. Looks pretty good as well. That's some couple of dings. Another one here. It's no big deal. Let me get the ladder. We'll run up here and check out what we got going on. And there's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. Seems to have a ding there. That seems to be dirt. Actually, it looks like dings from the inside of the truck up. Actually, got a couple of dings from the inside up. All right, not that they ran over something like normally. Well, they must have put something in here that was bigger than the mid roof could carry. Side here, you got some dings. 1, 2, 3. A couple of dings here, all from the inside out. Alright. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire tread. It's a 730 seconds. Checking it, yeah. Got some dings here from the outside. From the inside out. You can see them. Alright. See this truck? There's your cargo area here. Side cargo compartment. Boom. See what that looks like. Let's see how these dings look. I don't really see many of those things. Oh, here we go. Yep, here's one. See one here, see one there. I just see one there. Those little dings are, like I said, from the inside of this truck up. They hit stuff up. Alright. This door looks pretty good. Here's your this side of the front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good there. Got some scuffing on this panel here. This looks good. Here's your rear and your front passenger steel wheel. Your tire third. It's at 9:30 over 9:30 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Ford Transit T250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 21,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.